Welcome back to my channel. Arriving in Gili Air, you immediately realize you're in a small corner of paradise far from the daily hustle and bustle. On this island there are no cars, and unlike the nearby Gili Trawangan, which is larger and more crowded, or the smaller Gili Meno, here you find the perfect balance between peace, amenities, and fun. Our first day begins with a walk along the beach, lined with small restaurants and bars where you can relax, sipping a cocktail, or enjoying a delicious crepe by the sea, alternating relaxation with diving. Already just a few meters from the shore, you can admire beautiful underwater landscapes and a surprising variety of fish. The atmosphere is one of total calm and serenity. The day ends with a must-visit at Gili Air, the famous PinkCoco beach club. This location is the perfect spot to enjoy spectacular tropical sunsets accompanied by live music and beach performances. The Gili Islands are famous for their crystal-clear waters, perfect for snorkeling. On the second day, it's worth taking a boat trip to nearby Gili Meno, to an area known for the underwater statues dedicated to love. And to swim with the sea turtles. However, be prepared to meet quite a few people. On the way back, we head to the wilder western coast. This side of the island is the ideal place to watch nature paint its spectacular sunsets. In the morning we leave Gili Air, an island that wins you over with its perfect combination of relaxation, nature, and adventure. The crystal-clear waters, breathtaking sunsets, and peaceful atmosphere are now unforgettable memories. In Gili Air, trusting the reviews, I chose the Gili Land Hotel. It's a small place in the island's interior, and at first glance, it doesn't seem too bad. Unfortunately, the management leaves much to be desired. The tropical-style rooms at Gili Land are spacious but a bit neglected due to a lack of maintenance. It should also be considered that they are not well soundproofed, and external noises can be heard very clearly. Take this into account if you're a light sleeper. Walking along the eastern coast, I saw some properties that seemed better, including the Julianitos Hotel, which for the same price at least offers a better location, just a stone's throw from the beach. Despite the small size of the island, its food scene offers a variety of local and international dishes to suit every taste. Maison Bliss, with its exquisite crepes and waffles by the sea. La Javanaise, where you can taste delicious homemade Indonesian cuisine in a friendly and informal atmosphere. This restaurant is a must for anyone looking for an authentic local gastronomic experience. Charisma Bistro on the Eastern Beach, located in one of the best spots for snorkeling, offers good Mediterranean cuisine. And for a spectacular pizza, Mama Pizza, where I had an excellent one, even better than in Italy. And I'm Italian. But the journey doesn't end here. A short ferry ride takes us to the island of Lombok, the final stop on my Indonesian itinerary. I'll see you in my next vlog, in this new chapter of my journey. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and activate the notification bell so you won't miss my further videos. Please give it a thumbs up as well. It will be the best reward for my work.